Come blast off with me for an epic experience at the world-famous San Diego Zoo. Imagine this like the perfect zoo visit where you arrive on time to see the fun Macaw release that opens the zoo. You have unlimited energy to walk up and down the hills to see all your favorite animals and birds, who, by the way, decide to be out in the open and awake. And at the end, you don't need a foot rub, unless you really want one. We must start off before even hitting the front entrance with this 27-foot, 20,000-pound bronze lion statue balanced precariously on one leg. This very impressive statue was unveiled in 2018 and is a grand representation of what you're about to see inside the zoo. The next immediately impressive attribute of the zoo you may notice is the ease of entrance. The parking is ample and free, and you barely need to slow down to a full stop to scan your ticket and start your zoo adventure. This makes the zoo perfect for frequent flyer staycationers like me. Once you're in the front gate, you can grab a map, or better yet, scan the QR reader with your phone to save paper, which the zoo encourages you to do. We arrived early for your zoo experience, so you don't miss the Macaw release that marks the official opening of the zoo at 9 a.m.
You folks came here to see some wildlife, am I right? Am I right? Woo, all right, now, you may have noticed I brought a pretty noisy, welcoming committee. Typically, right around now, I am looking for a volunteer, preferably somebody short and in the front. All right, you young lady, come on down. Tell us your name for the crowd.
Avery.
Avery, let's hear it for Avery, everybody. Come on down, Avery. But first, Avery, hold on. I got some very important advice for you. You want to look up, but keep your mouth shut. All right, everybody, let's hear it for Avery. We're going to count her down in 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. And away they go.
The zoo is now officially open, and we'll start off our experience checking out the Flamingo Habitat, which sits up front, and then head a few feet over to the right to get on the tour bus. There are 6 different species of flamingos, many of which you can see at the San Diego Zoo. These include flamingos indigenous to South America, Mexico, Africa, and the Caribbean. Different flamingos vary in size, with the greater flamingo standing up to 4.7 feet tall, while the lesser flamingo tops out at 2.9 feet. The tour bus is free and a great way for new visitors to check out the lay of the land. The park is massive, and this 35 to 45 minute tour can help you plan your strategy. The tour bus is going to circle the perimeter of the park, and the first stop is going to be the tiger habitat in the tropical rainforest. You can't walk the path of the bus, so my map is showing the walking directions down Monkey Trail and then the Tiger River Trail.
Where we work with plants, animals, and local communities because our goal is to have a world where all life can thrive.
Drop me a comment at the end of the video and let me know your favorite zoo or your favorite zoo animal. If you want to see the tiger from the bus, make sure to get on the second deck when loading. You may have to wait a little longer, but it'll be well worth it. Keep in mind that the best viewing is always going to be from the walking paths. The bus tour is more to get you oriented to the layout of the zoo.
Kane, that is an awesome tiger house.
Now I'm going to take you back up the walking trail to show you some of the animals you will see if you make your way down the Tiger River by foot. You will pass a variety of monkeys since you're starting on the Monkey Trail. This monkey is the Tufted Capuchin, which is native to the Amazon. Either he's lost his keys or this box helps mimic the monkey's natural foraging habits. Further down the trail, we find the Malayan tapir. These primitive animals are related to the horse and rhino. If you've ever seen 2001: A Space Odyssey, you may recall that these are the animals living amongst the prehistoric humans in the beginning of the movie at the dawn of man. Going back down and past the tiger enclosure, we exit the rainforest habitat of the Tiger River Trail and connect with the Hippo Trail. This will wind us around the back of the zoo into the Lost Forest, where we will find one of my favorite locations in the whole zoo, the Monkey and Otter Habitat. Honestly, I haven't seen any otters here in the last couple of years, so I'm not sure if they're still there. Either way, the red-tailed and Allen swamp monkeys will provide plenty of entertainment. This is just a brief clip of the ultimate San Diego Zoo experience. Click on the next video to continue your journey.